Okay, they've lessened the water restrictions, and we could drain pools again. Let's see what we could do to this pool. Put some pretty cool flowers right there. La puerta. Pool draining before acid wash shot. Notice the color of the water. It's kind of green looking. It's copper stained. Watch when we get it all done. The end shot. Wait for it. Pump set for acid wash. Gotta make sure your rig's all set up right. Got this going into a P-trap so you're not flooding the street. This is very important so you don't flood the house before you plug in. Oh yeah, Columbo, one other thing. We gotta turn the pumps off because you don't want the pump running with the pool empty. So just shut off the breakers. Should be one of these. What's that one right there? This other stuff could stay on.
The next morning.
Okay, just about empty. This is a big one. This sucker's deep. Okay, you want to wet down your deck so you don't leave case marks. Get that wet area, pre-wet the pool. Let's get on this. Watch this. The line. Over here, I've already washed it. Over here, not quite yet. The pool wasn't that badly stained, but you could definitely see a difference. You can see I'm getting closer to the light. You want to take the light out, it'll leave a streak from the acid. Everybody does that, and there's a big drip. It looks like crap. So go take the light out. Gone around once, around the whole perimeter. This bastard's already looking cleaner, isn't it? I'll show you how I make my formula when I go do the details. You put a little bit of plaster white and bright, just a jibble, and then a little bit of your blue soap there, and then get a gallon of acid ready. Grab your hose. Fill her up with water first. You're supposed to add acid to water, not water to acid, to get risk explosion. Fill it about halfway up. Put the whole gallon in there. Be very careful you don't spill it because it etches. Fill her up. Fill my little pour can. Alright. Ready to do some damage. This is where the water tends to want to trail because otherwise you will take the plaster completely off. So you keep your hose running like this. And then sizzling. Look at that. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. There you see some blue there. Now I'll take a little bit of straight acid and go over these, but you don't want to wreck the bottom, so it's like keep your hose flowing like that, and then I'll go over this. See how it's like hitting that green? Rinse fast. The Klingons are clinging. No fumes with this stuff. Look at that. When it's turning yellow, it's working good. Floor. Here's the technique. You just kind of go like this, and you go. Your solution, let it sizzle. Look at this. This is what we want. Make sure you overlap so you don't leave streaks. I put this stuff in here to keep the fumes down, and you can basically almost do it respirator free. I recommend respirator, but this way you don't get gassed. But basically I'm just going to go across the floor like that, burn up the whole container back and forth like that. Just watch your sizzle. Look at that sizzle. It's just creeping down the brake. It's glowing now. We're just pumping out that sludge at the bottom. You want to put a little neutralizer in that acid. I will let it all pile up. Some guys leave the pump running the whole time, but I'm thinking you'll burn a spot in the bottom of the pool. You don't, the acid's too concentrated. It's like move it every few minutes and it won't burn little areas in the bottom. Pumping. It's almost there. See that leaving the acid in the water down there in the beginning, it actually cleans the bottom. And I'll rewash the little bowl. I'm gonna go down there and do that. Once it dried out real good, it's almost all dry for sanding. I'm gonna run a disc grinder over it and get rid of some of the rough areas and fill her up. Alright, all done. Got 3 hoses filling it, and it's beer 30. Job well done. We'll fill her up and be back Monday, and you'll see what it looks like all full. Oh yeah, pour a gallon of chlorine in it. It won't turn green. I mean, the pool will fill up green. Tap water is awful. This way it'll fill up blue. It'll look good. Looks like it's still a little bit of acid in there.
The next morning.
All right, we're back. Looking good. Now, there you go. Look at that thing. That is the Pool Bastard Acid Wash. Thanks for watching. You can make your pool look a lot better. You're going to want to acid wash the spa too if you're doing the pool. Pretty much the same drill as the other one. Let's get that drained. All right, all empty. Let's do this. Rinse off the chunkage so you don't leave leaf spots. Alright, let's make the formula. Watch this. See these green stains on here? Watch this. You could pretty much do the whole spa with maybe just 1 gallon of solution. You can see the copper coming off right there. Look at that. This is like a one-shot dealy bob. Okay. Now, rinse your feet so you don't leave marks on his deck. It's a whole lot better. Now I'm going to dry it out with the sponge. Let it dry for about a half hour. Hit it with the disc grinder. You can kind of clean off some of that and refill.
Moments later.
Just about full. Looking real good. Bubblers. Just priming up the pumps right now. Revving out. Pumps are on. All right, heater works too. There we go. Churning. All right, well there you go. I would say this video is a wrap. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.